He was meant to sit in a lecture hall, dream so big, standing proud and tall, books in his hands, future in sight. Now he walks alone in the soothing night. Rugged clothes and tired eyes, broken hopes and silent cries. A mother waits by the door each day, praying her son will find his way. Ice don't love you, it only steals, takes your mind, takes what's real. One wrong step, one wrong crew, now the light is fading from you. Oh, Fiji, can you hear the cry? Iron was falling, one by one tonight. Vanu, I'm calling, don't let go. Your roots are stronger than you know. Don't trade your future for the flame. Don't let ice erase your name. Stand up strong, remember who you are. You're the bounty, a rising star. It starts with laughter, a simple try, a borrowed spark, a dangerous light. But slowly it changed the heart and brain, leaves behind nothing but pain. Trust is broken inside the home, father's silence, mother's groan. The vinyl will weak when you would fall down, warriors lost without a crown. Mist steals the mind, twist what's true. Paranoia whispers to you, skin and bones, heart under strain. A temporary high, permanent pain. Is it worth your mother's tears? Is it worth your father's fears? Fiji needs your strength today. Don't let it all be blown away. Oh, Fiji, can you hear the cry? Through the streets, asking why. Our sons and daughters meant to lead, now trapped inside a deadly need. Hold the light, don't fall apart. Carry your vanua in your heart. Choose a future, choose it now. Make your family proud somehow. Monikuwa ni lutu sobu, boni tu vaka dododo. Nano mubula ihao levu, moni maroroya, metawa mundu.
Do not fall down,
Do not fall down.
stand firm in this trade. Your life is precious,
Your life is precious.
protect it before it's too late.
Lex Kaiwai music.